Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting setup now, so power on both devices and check batteries. Low power is the most common failure. Make sure your computer's adapter is ready. Either the keyboard/mouse USB dongle is plugged into a USB port or Bluetooth is enabled in system settings. Once done, put each device into pairing mode, usually a long press on the power or connect button. This step tells the receiver to look for the device. Without pairing mode, nothing will be discovered. Next, pair the devices. If you use a USB dongle, wait for its LED to blink and press its pair button, then press the device's connect button. This links them directly. If you're using Bluetooth, open your computer's Bluetooth settings, scan, and select the visible keyboard and mouse names. Install any drivers or companion software when prompted. These enable full functionality like hotkeys. Make sure to allow permissions. Otherwise, the OS may block input. If one device, finish by testing both devices in several applications. Type in a text editor and move the cursor to confirm responsiveness. Adjust sensitivity in settings if needed. If a device is unresponsive, remove or forget it from Bluetooth or the dongle utility and repeat pairing. This clears stale connections. Make sure to reduce interference. Move other wireless devices or metal objects away by 1 to 2 feet. If problems persist, replace batteries. Try a different USB port, or reboot the computer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.